Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good. And you know I am Tamanul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Tuesday 7 December 2021. So happy Tuesday from Bangladesh. Today's Tuesday, now morning time. This Tuesday morning I visiting a garden in our area. You can see behind my back garden area. Now I am stood in middle of garden. Friends, this Tuesday morning I visiting this garden, green garden. Here is a many type of green nature among big tree. This morning I walked here and I saw here is some polluted garbage. So now I collected that garbage and that garbage threw in the ডাস্টবিন। তো বন্ধুরা আজকে মঙ্গলবার সকালে আমি আমাদের অঞ্চলের একটি গাছ বাগানে এসেছি। দেখতে পাচ্ছেন গাছ বাগানের অংশ। তো গাছ বাগানে হাঁটার সময় আমি সকালে বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখতে পেয়েছি, সেগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, this tea garden area I walked here and I saw here is a plastic. So now I collected this plastic. Friends, you can see this polluted plastic. This plastic really very bad for our nature, our good nature, our garden, our peoples, our children. So I collected this plastic. Friends, this tea garden area I walked here and try to collect polluted garbage. Roof of tree, গাছের শিকড়. I saw here old cloth, unused paper. এগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করতেছি। Friends, I walked here and try to collect polluted garbage. I saw cigarette butt here. This cigarette butt, another plastic stuck in soil, মাটিতে আটকে আছে। এগুলো আমি এখান থেকে this big tree, মাটিতে কিছু পেপার আটকে আছে। I saw cigarette pack here. This cigarette pack, I collected this cigarette pack. Another paper, another cigarette butt here. Cigarette butt, এগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করার চেষ্টা করতেছি। Friends, I always try to save the nature, green nature, our environment, tea garden. Friends, I collected many small garbage and plastic. Friends, stock this garbage and collected another garbage. Let's go. Another plastic here, মাটিতে আটকে আছে, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, let's we all save our nature, our garden, our peoples, our children. This plastic really very bad for our nature, our children, our people, our environment. So I always try to save our environment. I collected many small plastic unused paper collected from here. Plastic, old cloth মাটিতে আটকে আছে, এগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। another plastic here, unused paper here, another plastic stuck in soil, মাটির নিচে আটকে আছে, এগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। old cloth, unused paper, dangerous product, plastic, unused product. This plastic product really bad for our nature, our environment. Another plastic product here, plastic. Another plastic product here, dangerous product. I collected this product. Another plastic here. Friends, my cleaning mission is finished. I collected many small polluted garbage, plastic, small unused paper, unused plastic product. These products are really very bad for our nature, our garden, our people, our children. So I collected this product from tea garden area. Friends, and a bag in my hand. All garbage to in bag. Let's go. Friends, old cloth, old plastic, this product really bad for our garden, our nature. So I collected this unused plastic product. I saw here beautiful bird sound, really beautiful place, morning time, beautiful environment. This moment, this cleaning moment, share with you in a video. Friends, finally I will say, let's we all save our nature, our garden. আসুন আমরা প্রকৃতি থেকে আবর্জনাগুলো দূর করি, প্রকৃতি রক্ষা করি। Cigarette pack, cigarette butt, all in all very bad product. Friends, complete garbage bag. Now we stop this bag. Friends, stop this garbage bag. Now this bag to in dustbin. Let's go. Friends, this our area's dustbin. This garbage bag to in dustbin. Thank you so much, friend. And this was my nature cleaning mission in Tuesday morning.